23 January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have, as Trump unveils his Board of Peace, Delhi awaits watches. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Meitei man married to cookies of wood, shot in Manipur, video captures killing and a message. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have SC notice to government to LET terrorist curative plea. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have Vaishno Devi students to join 7 J&K medical colleges. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have looking at social media ban for under 16 users. Andhra set up ministers panel. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have workers must unite to bring back Manrega, says Rahul. Again, very important. Polity and governance perspective. Then we have stronger ties between India, EU can lead this world economy, says in External Affairs Ministry. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Supreme Court permits Hindu puja. Muslim prayers are disputed. MP side. Again, very important for society as well as polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have attack on pastor follows a spate of communal violence in Odisha. Opposition blames BJP government ecosystem. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have is EC second guessing SIR objectives are Supreme Court. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have Tribal Council of Great Nicobar alleges pressure to surrender land. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have Trump is succeeding because of leaders who want to be little Trumps. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have data protection, shorter timeline likely for big tech compliance. Then we have data collectors warn MOSPI of acute stagnation. Then we have draft NEP 2026 bets big on nuclear tariff weeks and cross subsidy rules. Again, very important for all these things are very important for economic perspective. Then we have the world page where we have everyone wants to be a part. Trump launches Board of Peace. Then we have first US, Russia, Ukraine trilateral talks to be held in UAE, says Zelensky. Then we have from trenches to footlights, wounded Ukrainian soldiers heal on Kyiv stage. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the explained page where we have Trump Greenland gambit in his signature playbook. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have a head scratcher, meet Veronica, first cow known to use a tool. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have immigration, taxes, tariffs, territory, key takeaways from his speech. Again, very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.